Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Yes sis, yes bruh, it's a hot mess and we are here to clean it up. Yes, I said we, because it's going to be me and you cleaning that mess up, minimal organizing, okay? Anywho, guess what we got? Christmas decoration paper, a freaking cookie laying over there, something on the floor, who knows what it is, like, we gotta get this mess cleaned up. We need to get it clean. And if you got something in your house, a little area in your house, because this is like right by my bed, right there. And so if you got a little nook by your bed that you like to keep all your stuff, maybe it's time for us to just stop bringing all this stuff into our little bedroom and put it in our closet where it needs to be, or wherever it needs to be, put it there, because I like to have good sleep at night, and I don't like to get up in the morning time seeing all this mess sitting by my bed. I don't know why I brought my bags and stuff when they were in my closet, but I felt like I needed to bring my bags because I change my bags all the time. So that's why I ended up with the bags over here. And then all my like paperwork and stuff, I brought it over here. I think I needed one thing out of my little information container, and I brought everything out of the container. So I did get one of these little baskets here that I've been having, and it normally sitting by the mirror, but I recently minimal organized it and decluttered it and got everything I needed out of it. And so now I just have a basket. So I'm going to take most of this stuff here and just place it in the basket and then push the basket underneath, because I feel like when you have so much stuff around you, it kind of mess with your peace. And what I mean by that, it messes with your peace. Let's just say, like, when I go to sleep, before I close my eyes, I see all this junk. When I open my eyes, I see all this junk, and it just tends to make me have like a not a bad day, but I don't want to say a moody day, but just like a kind of a negative day. Just knowing that I gotta come back home to see all this, and I haven't cleaned it, and I've been procrastinating and putting it off, and yeah. And if I sound like a mess, trust me, I look like a mess, and my body feels like a mess. After I got my wisdom tooth taken out, y'all, oh my gosh. So yeah, after I got my wisdom taken out, like last week, I don't know why my selfie tripod acting crazy, but after I got that taken care of, a couple of days later, y'all, like, I started feeling bad. And I know, like, they were like, fresh grass and me don't get along. I don't love any type of fresh grass, like somebody just getting their grass just mowed or anything like that. I try to have a mask, but I couldn't catch it this time because they was already mowing the grass. And so my allergies flared up from that. And then when I went over my mom's house, I went outside and they were already cutting the grass there. So my allergy flared up even more. So yeah, the best thing I could do today to look cute or presentable on our channel, on my channel, I put some lip gloss on, throw it on a headband, and felt pretty, okay? But anyways, we need to get to this mess. Enough rambling, enough talking. We need to get to this mess because it needs to be done. I want to get lit on this mess.
inside I'm alive and on fire, and while she's the only real thing I find in the night. With the flight of my kite, like hands in the right kinds of places where we disappear tomorrow. Are we gonna go for a walk and talk about all the good things? I'm already there, things are happening, which is why I love you so. Love to be in your love.
Pleasure into everything. The breeze in the air and the way that you care with your touch so gently. Your loving is like sunshine on my skin. Oh, and it feels so good to have you wait on top of me before I let you in. Love to be in your love.
To get to know you. Now I'm about to show you forever's in my mind, so I'll never have enough time. Want my fans to see you're my fantasy. Brought your fam to see me give you this ring. Won't you say it? Why you hesitating? Baby, you're a part of me. Don't you hesitate, you giving me anxiety. Say yes, baby, you should say yes. I'ma love you till I take my last breath. That's right, that's right, that's right, that's right, that's right. Say yes, baby, you should say yes. I'ma love you till I take my last breath. That's right, that's right, that's right, that's right, that's right. I asked your mother and your father, and they both said we are perfect. I asked your brother and your sister, and they both said we are worth it. I just wanna know, girl, can you see I love you? Put no one above you, reason that I chose you. Just wanna know, girl, can you see I love you? Put no one above you, reason that I chose you. Won't you say it? Why you hesitating? Baby, you're a part of me. Won't you say it? Don't you hesitate, you giving me anxiety. Say yes, baby, you should say yes. I'ma love you till I take my last breath. That's right, that's right, that's right, that's right, that's right. Say yes, baby, you should say yes. I'ma love you till I take my last breath. That's right, that's right, that's right, that's right, that's right. Say yes, baby, you should say yes.
I just wanna take the time out to say, you mean so much to